Hey there! Welcome to TechWorldGBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Introduction to machine learning algorithms, linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to TechWorldGBA. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning algorithms that power everything from predicting house prices to diagnosing diseases. Buckle up as we break down linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks with real-world examples you encounter every day. First up is linear regression. Imagine you're trying to predict house prices based on factors like square footage, the number of rooms, and the neighborhood. Linear regression fits a line through your data points to give you a formula that helps predict prices for new houses. Linear regression is also popular in finance and retail. Want to forecast next month's sales or predict stock prices? Linear regression uses past trends to make future predictions, helping businesses make smarter decisions. Next, let's talk about decision trees. Think of them like flowcharts for decision-making. They work great when you need clear yes or no answers, like, should this loan be approved? For instance, a bank could use a decision tree to evaluate loan applicants. Based on criteria like credit score, income, and debt level, it determines if an applicant is likely to repay or default. It's quick, logical, and can be visualized easily. Decision trees are also used in healthcare. Doctors can input patient symptoms and get classifications like likely or unlikely to have a condition. It's an efficient way to assist in diagnoses and treatment planning. Finally, let's talk about neural networks, the algorithm inspired by the human brain. These are used in complex scenarios like image recognition and speech processing. Neural networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes, learning patterns and data over time. Think of self-driving cars. They use neural networks to see their surroundings and make real-time decisions. Neural networks analyze vast amounts of image data to recognize pedestrians, traffic signals, and other vehicles on the road. So there you have it, 3 core machine learning algorithms that impact our everyday lives. From predicting house prices to diagnosing diseases, these algorithms make decisions smarter and faster. Real-world applications of machine learning. Today, we're exploring how machine learning algorithms solve real-world problems across industries. Stick around as we show you practical applications for linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks, and how they're changing the game in fields like finance, healthcare, and even autonomous driving. Let's start with linear regression. Imagine you're a real estate agent trying to set house prices. You can use linear regression to predict the price of a house based on its size, location, and more. In retail, linear regression helps forecast monthly sales. You simply input features like holiday seasons or promotion periods, and the algorithm forecasts your sales, helping you stock up just right. Scene 3, step-by-step solution with linear regression. Here's a quick how-to. First, gather your data, say monthly sales figures and holiday flags. Next, clean and normalize your data to ensure accuracy. Train a linear regression model on historical data, evaluate its accuracy, and use it to make future predictions. Next up, decision trees. Imagine a bank wants to approve a loan. By feeding data like credit score, income, and employment history into a decision tree, the bank can classify applicants as approved or denied, improving their decision-making. In healthcare, decision trees help with diagnosis. A doctor can input patient symptoms and the tree guides them to possible outcomes. It's an efficient way to make data-backed healthcare decisions. And finally, we have neural networks. Ever wondered how self-driving cars recognize objects on the road? They use neural networks to process thousands of images, learning to identify pedestrians, signs, and other vehicles. Speech recognition is another neural network application. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa use neural networks to process and respond to voice commands in real time. Here's how it works. First, gather data images for self-driving cars or audio samples for virtual assistants. Pre-process the data, train a neural network on labeled examples, and fine-tune it until it reaches optimal accuracy. So, whether it's predicting sales, diagnosing diseases, or powering self-driving cars, machine learning algorithms are everywhere. If you enjoyed this dive into real-world applications, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Stay curious, stay informed, and thanks for tuning into TechWorldGBA. See you in the next video.